You know where we are? We're in a courtroom. It's sometimes called the Hall of Justice. Justice. You know who Justice is. There's a portrait of her hanging out in the lobby. She's the blindfolded lady holding a set of scales. You see, justice does not judge by appearances because justice can't see. She judges by the truth alone, which she can feel. We have been in this courtroom together for weeks now, looking for the truth. Have we found it? We've been looking at appearances. What do we see when we look at appearances? Look.
What's she saying? Why is she saying all this junk?
I have no idea, man.
We see 3 good-looking, well-mannered college boys. These class officers and football heroes, honor roll students. Are they what they appear to be? And surely they couldn't be callous, overprivileged young men who would gang rape a friend and not feel guilty about it? Appearance. Look at her. Is that young woman a lying slut who is so desperate for attention that she would lure 3 young men into having drunken sex and then cry rape? Or is Marty Saybrook an innocent victim of a brutal act of violence? A rape survivor who had the courage to bring her attackers to face justice.
I don't believe this.
Face you. You are here to pass judgment on those 3 young men. You are justice. Therefore, you must be blind to everything but the truth. I want you to be blind justice. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I want you to be blind justice. Close your eyes. Close them. I want you to see with your heart, not your eyes. Let's go to that room. Let's go to that room in the fraternity house. Close your eyes. Do you see a young woman luring 3 innocent men into a room to have sex? Or do you see 3 men trapping an unwilling prey? Do you see them dancing with her and gracefully passing her from one partner to the next? Or do you see them teasing her and taunting her and tossing her around like a football? Do you see them throwing a woman down on the bed and holding her there by force, bruising her neck and her wrist? Do you see them trying to stifle her cries of passion? Or do you see them shoving a sweatband in her mouth so they don't have to listen to her screaming for help as they rape her? As they rape her. Do you feel Todd Manning climbing off of Marty's table and then laughingly saying, who's next? Because if you feel that, and if you believe that rape is a crime, a hideous and cowardly crime that is punishable to the full extent of the law, then you, as jurors, you, as justice, what the hell are you doing?
Tell them that we didn't do it. If you're our defense attorney, say we're innocent. Say it! Order! Or I will clear out this courtroom now.
counsel will approach the bench, please. Miss Gannon, in all my days on the bench, I have never seen such outrageous conduct in a courtroom.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Well, I am putting a stop to it now. Step back. It pains me to have to put the financial burden of another trial on the Commonwealth. But under the circumstances, I cannot let these proceedings go to verdict. I therefore declare a mistrial. The jury is dismissed. The court thanks you all for your time and patience. The apologies of the court to put you through it. I wish to speak to the counsel in my chambers immediately. This court is adjourned.
All right. Rachel, your mother is one incredible woman.
I know.
Good job, Nora. Way to go. I'm gonna make you pay for this. You'll wish you never took this case.
I already do.
Come in. Miss Gannon. Do you hear those sounds? That's the sound of a case ending in a mistrial. I hope you're happy.
Your Honor.
Be quiet. You are licensed to practice law in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. But what you did in my courtroom today was anything but. Therefore, I plan to report you to the State Disciplinary Board.
I understand.
Do you? And do you also understand how serious the consequences can be for what you have done?
Hank, what does this mean?
A mistrial means there's been a screw-up in the process of due process. And in this case, it was screwed up on purpose.
By Nora.
I've never seen anything like it. She tried to do right by you, Marty. That jury was all set to let those boys walk.
And now?
Back to square one, including us, which means we've got a shot at rebuilding our case. And this time, I think we can win.
Oh, maybe. And when will the next time be?
Well, it could be months before another trial is set. I've got to go.
Months? And in the meantime, they go free? No way.